If you are determined and confident, there is nothing in this great existence that can stop you from achieving what you want. I once cried because I had no shoes to play soccer, but one day, I met a man who had no feet. Life is full of regrets, but it doesn't pay to look back. Everything I have achieved in football is due to playing football in the streets with my friends. Nobody knows if Zidane is an angel or demon. He smiles like Saint Teresa and grimaces like a serial killer. I may have had a lot of luck in my life, but I still need to find a challenge in the game. Sometimes words are harder than blows. You can't get bored of winning. You can win 10 games in a row, but you keep the same wolf to snatch the 11th. You always need more. I am proud of where I come from, and I will never forget the people I grew up with. Ronaldinho is a special player, but Thierry Henry is probably technically the most gifted footballer ever to play the beautiful game. You rarely come across the complete footballer, but Scholes is as close to it as you can get. One of my regrets is that the opportunity to play alongside him never presented itself during my career. Zidane was from another planet. When Zidane stepped onto the pitch, the 10 other guys just got suddenly better. It is that simple. It doesn't matter how many times you win an award, it is always very special. We must not let ourselves get driven off course. No matter what happens, we must stick to our natural game. We were a family who had come from nothing, and now we had respect from French people of all sorts. Football boots are very technical and have lots of specific requirements. To be recognized by a whole country is incredible. This is massive. Zidane is the master. Over the past 10 years, there's been no one like him. He has been the best player in the world.